Listen to me. We need to talk about your money, and we need to talk about it right now. Because you are at a stage in your life, either you are retired or you are standing right on the doorstep of retirement, where you cannot afford to make a mistake. You have worked 40, 50 years to build your nest egg, and now you're looking at your screen, looking at that Wealthsimple app, and you're asking yourself, can I get my money out easily? It's a simple question, right? But the answer? The answer isn't just a yes or a no. The answer depends on whether you have been a person who is standing in their truth or a person who has been sleepwalking through their financial choices. Now, let's get one thing straight. If you have money in a non-registered account, just a plain old taxable account, or a TFSA, can you get it? Yes, you can. You press a few buttons, and in about 1 to 3 business days if it's a trading account, or maybe 4 to 6 if it's a managed account, that money is moving toward your bank. But wait. Just because you can do it easily doesn't mean you should do it blindly. I want you to listen to me. People are terrified. They are scared that their money is locked in a digital vault and they'll be left high and dry when a bill comes due. But the real fear you should have, the fear that should keep you awake at night, is not about whether the app works. It's about what happens the second that money leaves the account. If you are pulling money out of an RRSP because you need some quick cash for a vacation or a new car, you are making a massive mistake. Do you hear me? When you withdraw from that RRSP, Wealthsimple is legally required to take a big, fat bite out of it before you even see a penny. We're talking withholding taxes of 10, 20, or even 30% depending on how much you take. And that's just a down payment to the government. At the end of the year, you might owe even more. You are sabotaging your future security for a temporary want. And for those of you who are 71 or older, you don't have a choice anymore. You have to convert that RRSP into a RRIF. Wealthsimple makes that easy, yes. They'll even calculate your minimum withdrawal for you. But if you haven't planned for that income, if you haven't looked at how that RRIF income stacks on top of your CPP and your OAS, you are going to get hit with a tax bill that will make your head spin. You need to be a warrior for your wealth. You cannot just hope it works out. Here is your actionable takeaway. This is what I want you to do today. First, I want you to look at your accounts. If you need emergency money, you look at your TFSA first. Why? Because you can take that money out, Wealthsimple won't charge you a fee, the government won't take a tax bite, and, this is the beautiful part, you get that contribution loan back next year. It is the most flexible tool in your shed. Use it. Second, if you are using Wealthsimple's private market funds, those fancy private equity or credit accounts, you better read the fine print. Those aren't easy withdrawals. Those have redemption windows. You can't just wake up on a Tuesday and decide you want that money on Wednesday. You have to request it months in advance. If you put your rent money or your food money in a private equity fund, you have been irresponsible with your life. Those are for money you don't need for 5 or 10 years. Third, check your linked bank account. I see this all the time. People try to withdraw money in a hurry, only to find out their bank link has expired or they changed banks and never updated the app. Don't wait until you're in a crisis to find out your pipes are clogged. Verify your connection today. I want you to be powerful. I want you to stand in your truth. Wealthsimple is a tool, a very good tool for many, but it is not a magic wand. It will give you your money, but it won't protect you from your own bad decisions. You have to be the one to say, I know exactly where my money is, I know exactly what it will cost me to touch it, and I know exactly when it will arrive. Don't you dare click withdraw until you can say those 3 things with total certainty. Because if you don't value your money, I promise you, your money will not value you. Stay safe, stay strong, and stay secure.